Welcome to our world builds on innovation, quality and excellence. Tucked away in the capital city of Selangor and located at the heart of Klang, Renewcell Limited is a battery maintenance and regeneration company specialised in providing solutions from preventive, reactive and to predictive for all types of lead-acid batteries to expand its lifespan using desulfation tech. Founded on 4th of October 2016, Renewcell is the first company in Malaysia using the new 30 kilovolt ampere pulse regenerative technology to recondition traction batteries. This enables us to extend your battery life up to 2 times. Our vision to be paragons in battery regeneration worldwide, and our mission to provide an alternative solution to increasing battery lifespan. Besides preventive maintenance, Renewcell adds advantages to technology on battery regeneration, in which we can revive the used battery for another lifespan. Renewcell uses state-of-the-art technology from Spain, such as Macbatec battery regenerators in the process of desulfation and 30 kilovolt ampere regenerative pulse technology to give a new lease of life to batteries which had lost their capacity. The batteries will be fully charged and a capacity test will be conducted to identify the possibility of regeneration. At that point, the batteries are restored using controlled current pulses, which break down the lead sulfate crystals that suffocate the battery once it is approved to regenerate. The completion of the regeneration process will take a couple of days to increase its lifespan, and another capacity test will be conducted to differentiate before and after its regeneration. Renewcell Limited creates the ability to regenerate old lead-acid batteries used in consumer and industrial applications, making them perform like new again. Renewcell is focused on being a green company with its nature of business that helps to reduce waste and emission of carbon dioxide. Moreover, the company is also chemical-free in its processes of regenerating the batteries. Renewcell Limited brings you a range of services, including battery performance test, regeneration services, battery preventive maintenance, and battery information systems. Renewcell Sendirian Berhad will be expanding its services to southern, northern and eastern regions, as well as Sabah and Sarawak.
Let's join the green movement and service a new battery through Renewcell Sendirian Berhad.
We were born with entrepreneurs and continuously generate fresh and forward-thinking ideas in projects and keeping them relevant and in today's world as well as the future. Renewcell Sendirian Berhad doubles battery life and reduces cost and waste.